Welcome to Eastmark. This award-winning Mesa community is one of the most popular places to live in the valley, and for good reason. It has everything we look for when we choose a location for a new Shea community. Beautiful neighborhoods, award-winning schools, a heated pool, and a beautiful community center, and plenty of parks, 30 of them actually, to connect with friends and neighbors. Eastmark is located in Mesa, humming with restaurants, shopping, and easy access to highways connecting the East Valley community with the rest of the valley. We're excited to announce the opening of Ascent at Eastmark.
We start with the design charrette. It's all about designing our interior architecture with our customers in mind. The whole process is a bit like designing and completing a puzzle. Collaboratively, we look at the home layout, consider the needs of our customers, and incorporate the feedback we've received from Shea homeowners. It's really matching the livability of the home with the features we know they'll love. It's a process that we just don't take lightly. The homes we're building at Ascent at Eastmark will be a great addition to the Eastmark community. Home buyers will have their choice of 3 exterior styles: modern Spanish, traditional adobe ranch, and hill country featuring beautiful stonework. We have 1- and 2-story homes available with 6 floor plans to help create a diverse street scene. Our smallest home is nearly 2,000 square feet, and our largest is just over 3,000 square feet. And every one of these homes will showcase the features Shea homes are known for. Open floor plans, beautiful kitchens, generously sized bedrooms and laundry rooms, all thoughtfully placed within the home with plenty of space to have fun with your family and friends. When designing this collection of homes, we thought a lot about the relationship of indoor to outdoor spaces, and we believe homeowners will appreciate the natural flow from inside to out, something that truly enhances the quality of life here in the beautiful Arizona desert. It's our attention to detail that really sets Shea apart. We hear from so many homeowners that Shea homes are innovative, fresh, thoughtful, different from the rest, and we pride ourselves on this Shea difference. Our goal is to find ideal locations, then build award-winning homes with great architecture in communities where our customers want to live. We have such an opportunity here at Eastmark, and we can't wait to show it to you.